press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Let's do an activity to understand these types of mixtures. ಮಿಶ್ರಣಗಳ ವಿಧಗಳು. Let's take water in a beaker, say 50 ml or 100 ml water. All right. Let's take another beaker and take water again. Let's take another beaker and water in it. Water in it. Take potassium permanganate crystals, one spatula or one spoon of potassium permanganate, 1 spoon of potassium permanganate. Let's take 2 spoon of potassium permanganate. Let's take copper sulfate, crystals of copper sulfate. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹೇಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ NaCl, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉಪ್ಪು. ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ಈಟಬಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. CSO4 as well as KMNO4. Okay, just let's not take this. So there are 3 setups, 1, 2, 3. Let's mix these 2. KMNO4, 1 spoon of KMNO4 into the water. Pour 1 spoon of KMNO4 into the water, so that becomes solution, a kind of solution, a colored solution, a pink colored water. So it becomes a pink. So here we have what? KMNO4 as well as H2O. So in this one. Here you have what? The same KMNO4 and H2O. Same KMNO4 and H2O. But the one difference is here we have 2 spoons of KMNO4. Here we have 1 spoon of KMNO4. So I will just take a colored chalk to represent the solution or the colored solution. You must get the difference between the colors. Let's take a plate or a dish or bowl. Say a bowl. Mix up the crystals of CSO4 and KMNO4. Say the CSO4 crystals or mix it with the KMNO4 crystals. Right? Now tell me, the composition or the making of this new material, that pink colored water, we call it a solution, but I'll just go to solution in the next section. So this pink colored water is a substance, right? It is a substance. So the composition or the making of that composition, ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ composition. There are 2 components, one is potassium permanganate and other is water. So the 2 pure substances, the pure water and the pure KMNO4 are mixed physically to form a mixture. Understand? So the composition is uniform or it is identical throughout the mixture. This, what is uniform composition or composition? So this composition is nothing but what? The making of that solution or making of that substance. Here the making is uniform. Here also it is uniform. You can observe that. But what about here? You cannot distinguish water and the KMnO4. You cannot feel the difference between the KMnO4 and water. Here you can easily pick up the difference. You can easily distinguish between the KMnO4 and the copper sulfate, the two different substances. A pure copper sulfate, a pure KMnO4. So both are mixed with each other. You can still, with your eyes, you can observe the difference, or you can distinguish between, or you can differentiate between the, oh, this is copper sulfate, this is KMnO4. But you cannot do that thing, oh, here this is KMnO4, that is water. You cannot do that. Because everywhere in that solution, every part of that solution is just pink colored. It is just pink colored. Here also it is just pink colored, but faint color. This is faint color, this is dark pink color. Why? Because we took 2 spoons of KMnO4, right? We have this KMnO4 in large quantity, here comparatively less. But the color is pink, dark pink, pink or faint pink. But that color is uniform. That color is uniform. It is same color all over this beaker. It is same color all over this beaker. Right? It is not like that, oh, you have pink here, you have pink water, here you have pure non-color water, as like normal water. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Over that it is just pink colored, which means that they mixed throughout the solution, the mixture is uniform, or else they mixed very well. Their composition is uniform. Composition means their making is uniform. Everywhere it is just the same. They got mixed very well. Here we can say that the KMnO4 is dissolved in H2O. Karagide anta. That KMnO4 substance, pure substance, is dissolved in water. Here also it is dissolved in water. Karagide. Complete karagide. And the composition is uniform. It's not like that. Here we have the water, here we have the KMnO4, the water, KMnO4, the water, KMnO4, as just like here. Here we have the potassium permanganate, copper sulfate, permanganate, sulfate, copper sulfate, like this. It's not like that. Here you can find the difference. You can distinguish. You can you can find the difference between the copper sulfate and the KMnO4. You can easily look at that and you can say, oh, this is the, here we have copper sulfate, here we have KMnO4, but you cannot tell, here we have water, here we have KMnO4. No, you cannot tell like that. You cannot tell this is water, this is KMnO4, because it is completely mixed and the composition or that mixing is just uniform. Everywhere it is uniform. Correct mix agide. If you take this amount of sample, let's take this amount of sample out of that, right? It has what? It has both KMnO4 as well as water. So let's take this, so this part out of that water. So what does it have? It has both water as well as KMnO4. Go everywhere, wherever you go here, you will find both water as well as KMnO4. Here it is not like that. You can, if you just have, this thing, you can easily distinguish, you can easily find the difference between these two. So this is KMnO4, this is water, but you cannot find such difference, or you cannot do such a distinction between the KMnO4 and water here. You can find the difference between the copper sulfate and the KMnO4 here in this case. So this mixture can be distinguished. The components can be distinguished. Right? So this mixture contain distinguishable parts or differentiable parts. So here the components are differentiable or distinguishable. We can just do some difference between them, or we can find difference between them. So ಅವ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಡಬಹುದು. ಓ ಇದು ಅದೇ ಇದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Because they mixed up, right? You cannot find the KMnO4 as separate and water as separate. They got mixed very well and that composition is uniform. Another thing, another example, salt in water, as we have discussed. Say take water and mix salt in it, pour salt in it. It becomes salt solution. Can you see the salt in that water? Can you say that, oh, here we have salt, here we have water? No, you cannot say. Uppu neeru, neeralli uppu taragisuttirappa. Take a glass, the transparent glass, take water, take pure salt in that, mix it, stir it. Once it is done, look at that. Will you find any salt particles? Will you find any salt? Can you see the salt with your eyes? No, you cannot do that. Because that is completely mixed. That is completely dissolved in that water. The salt will be dissolved in that water. Karigogide salt. You cannot distinguish between the water and the salt. Oh, ಇದು salt, oh, ಇದು water, oh, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ. That's why it is a uniform composition throughout the mixture. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದು ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಷ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದು ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟು, ಸರಿ ಇದು KMnO4, ಇದು ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟು, ಇದು KMnO4, ಇದು ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Sugar solution. Let's take a sugar solution where you have dissolved sugar in water, you got sugar solution. So in that sugar solution, can you differentiate between the sugar and H2? Can you find, or can you just separate that sugar and water, or can you see that sugar and the water as separated things with your eyes? ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ ನೀವು? ಅದು ಶುಗರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot see like that. You can't observe. Which means that the sugar and the water, they are mixed uniformly throughout that mixture. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now, for this kind of observation, let's do other thing. Suppose you have rice grains, akki, right? Suppose you have half kg rice grains. In that, say, you are going to mix 50 gram of wheat, ಭತ್ತ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Now you can easily differentiate between the wheat and rice grains, wheat grains and rice grains. Here the composition is not uniform. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ composition ಇಲ್ಲ. Here the composition is not uniform. Say you have salt, ಉಪ್ಪು, right? Salt. You took small sand particles, ಮರಳಿಂದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು. So you mixed sand here. Can I say that this is a mixture? Yes, it is a mixture. This is a mixture because two pure substances are there, or two substances are there. So in this matter, we have two substances: salt, the sand particles, wheat and rice grains. Two substances are there. Here we have sugar and water, salt and water. The two things, two substances are there. They are all mixtures, but there is a difference. There are some differences between this kind and this kind. Here you can distinguish between the components of that mixture. ಅವುಗಳ ಆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ನ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ KMnO4, that is copper sulfate crystals. Here you can distinguish. Oh, this is the salt, this is the sand particles. Whole and soul, it is a mixture. Whole and soul, it is a mixture. But you cannot find the sand here. Sand is there only. Sand is not here. Alilla. There lies only salt. Here we have the salt as well as sand. But as a total, it is mixture. ಮಿಶ್ರಣ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. Suppose you have salt like this, you have sand like this. Maybe you can find salt and sand everywhere. Here salt and sand, salt and sand, salt and sand, salt and sand, salt and sand. But still you can distinguish between them. That mixture or that composition may be uniform. Uniform means ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. But you can still differentiate between the salt and sand. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇದು ಉಪ್ಪು, ಇದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಅಥವಾ ಮರಳು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಉಪ್ಪು, ಸರಿ ಇದು ಏನದು KMnO4, ಇದು ವಾಟ್ರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ವಾಟ್ರು, ಇದು ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸಚ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶುಗರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, this part is salt, this part is sugar, this part is sugar, this part is salt, sorry, water. So this part is sugar, this part is water. You cannot do like that. Here you can do that. That's why we have two kinds of mixtures. One is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Other one is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. First one is homogeneous mixture. Right? So homogeneous mixture is a mixture which has uniform composition throughout it. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಂಗಲ್ಲ. And the components are not distinguishable. ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture which has non-uniform composition throughout that, and the components are distinguishable. Sometimes to look that mixture can be homogeneous. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇದಪ್ಪ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್. ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶುಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಉಪ್ಪು ಮತ್ತು ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಉಪ್ಪು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಉಪ್ಪು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್. ಬಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, if you go in detail about this homogeneous and heterogeneous, it should be defined in such a way that we have to take how much amount we have to take, and should we go to the microscopic level or should we go as a macroscopic level. It depends on how we take the sample from that mixture. ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಳು ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಳು KMnO4 ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅವಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 3 KMnO4, ಒಂದು 4 ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's why we just take it as non-uniform composition. For the heterogeneous mixture we take it as non-uniform. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಸಪ್ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 100 particles ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ 100 particles ಆಫ್ KMnO4. ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ solution from this side, take the same quantity of the solution from this side, from this side, from this side. They all contain uniform composition. All of them contain both KMnO4 and water in a fixed amount. Right? Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು 100 ವಾಟರ್, ಸೇ 100 ವಾಟರ್ 50 KMnO4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ 100 ವಾಟರ್ 50 KMnO4, 100 ವಾಟರ್ 50 KMnO4, 100 ವಾಟರ್ 50 KMnO4, 100 ವಾಟರ್ 50 KMnO4. So that composition is uniform everywhere throughout that mixture. ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take the same amount of sample. ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್, ಇದು sample, a small sample of this mixture. The same amount of sample from this mixture, same amount of sample, ಅಷ್ಟಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೋಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, you have to analyze chemically. So when you do that, you will definitely see the composition is uniform. If it is 100 water 50 KMnO4, here also it is 100 water 50 KMnO4, 100 water 50 KMnO4, 100 water 50 KMnO4, but it is not like that. If you take this amount of sample, the same amount of sample, the same amount of sample, the same amount of sample from different parts of that mixture, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ. If you count that mixture components, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, the number may vary. The number is going to vary. Here if it is 3 copper sulfate, maybe 4 KMnO4. Here it is the 5 copper sulfate, maybe 2 KMnO4. Here it is maybe 6 copper sulfate, 1 KMnO4. Like that it may be non-uniform. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ such mixtures have non-uniform composition. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 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 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ದೇ ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ? ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಲಿ. ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ KMnO4 and the particles of H2O in a given definite amount of sample is uniform. ಸೊ 150, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100 ಈ ಥರ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, 5, 2, 3, 4 ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4, 8 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. We call it as non-uniform composition, and the components are distinguishable or differentiable. You can find the difference. This is copper sulfate, this is KMnO4. You can find that. This is salt, this is sand, this is sugar and this is salt. You can find that difference. You can easily find or you can easily distinguish with your naked eyes. ಬರೀ ಗಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ. With the bare eyes, you can just differentiate between the particles, not particles, components. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎರಡು ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇದು ಅದು ಇದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇದು ವಾಟ್ರು, ಇದು KMnO4, ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ಟು, ಇದು ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಶುಗರು, ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಲಿ. Such mixtures are called as homogeneous, and this kind of mixture is called as heterogeneous mixture. Then what may be the difference between the homogeneous and heterogeneous, and what are the definitions, right? So you can take that as a writing note, as a point to be noted. Types of mixtures, broadly they are homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous, GENOUS, homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. What is this? It's a mixture which has, homogeneous mixture is a mixture which has uniform composition throughout it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? it has uniform composition throughout it, and the components are non-distinguishable ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅವನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ದಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture which has non-uniform composition throughout it, and the components can be components are distinguishable. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು. Here the components are distributed uniformly. Here distributed uniformly. Uniformly. Right? For example, salt water, salt solution, sugar solution, copper sulfate solution, like that. Here, for example, mixture of salt and sugar, mixture of sugar and sand, mixture of rice grains and wheat grains. ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Right? So from next class, we talk about another classification of mixture from another point of view, like solution, suspension, colloidal mixture, right, in part 2. Thank you.